Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a nice little Aliexpress haul. And actually this is from Amazon, but you can get them off Aliexpress, but you know, current situation, Amazon for this one, because I wanted it now. So yeah, let's get into it. And all right, I kept saying I don't have any gold foil. The only kind I had like holographic stars in it. And I really wanted normal gold foil and some rose gold. I think I still had some rose gold. Let's see. This is where I kept all my foils from forever ago. Like, these are all fun ones, so like, not mad at it. Ignore that sound. And then I have a couple from Meerkat? No, I don't know what it's called. Whatever it is, it's really popular. I don't think I have it right next to me. Anyway, so that's where I got my other ones from. So I will show you what I loved about this specific set is that you have your normal gold, like your shiny gold, then you have a little bit of a matte gold, then you kind of get into a little bit more of like champagnes. This looks super champagne on here, which is amazing. You have like your rose gold, like super rose gold, what probably most people would think of a rose gold, a little bit less. You have your silver, then you kind of have like this pink one, that I just really like. It has like this kind of little effect to it. I don't know if that's just like the printing, but it almost has like a little bit of a spotted effect. I don't know. And then you got this like oil slick in here, which yes, I'm here for it. And then it also comes with some nail glue, which I believe this one is to dry base coat. Oh no, this is a UV one. 60 seconds with the UV. Interesting. It's interesting that this is a UV and it is clear. Like, it's a completely clear bottle. Because like anything that can cure, you don't want a clear bottle. So I wonder if this like is not actually UV. And it's like air dry. But anyway, I probably won't use this glue if I'm gonna be honest, but I'm super excited for these foils. I think I finally have a good chunk. I'm waiting for a ton of foils very similar to this from AliExpress that I ordered in January, but current situations, and then they all disappeared for a month because of Chinese New Year, so we'll see if I ever get those. I got this bad boy. Well, he's half gone because I used him in a tutorial. Not sure if that tutorial will be up already or not, but it's more leaf patterns, like literally it's leaves. Specifically bought this one for that tutorial because I just had something in my mind I needed to do it, and here it was. These I am so excited for. So I'm gonna kind of angle them this way so you can see them. So they are little stickers, and I plan on doing like some geode nails with them. Like, how fun would that be? Like, have that kind of outline. I did end up getting Stick It, which I know you can't see that, which is amazing, and you literally can do that and then put foil on it. So I had ordered these because I couldn't find Stick It, and Stick It was like sold out everywhere. So I ordered these, and then again, the delay, and then what's currently going on, and then finally got them, and they are wonderful, and I will still use them. So excited. All right, I also got a ton of foils. It probably is not gonna seem like a ton of foils, but I'm really excited for these. So I got this one. I got that one. I'm really excited for that one. Tell me that does not give you some Lisa Frank vibes. If it doesn't, then we're not friends. And then this bad boy, some leopard with some flowers. I mean, not mad at it. Some more leopard with some black. That's very sexy kind of lace in there. Some light pink with leopard. Those might be too cheetah. I'm not quite sure. I don't know my animal prints as well. And then some more like Lisa Frank inspired. I'm so here for it. And the awesome thing is that you can totally use these with like any of these colors. And then we have one with a little bit of blue in it. And then last but not least, this bad boy. Well, this is kind of like Valentine's Day themed. It's like I love you, all that stuff in there. So yeah. Love this. I need to do a foil, like, whatchamacallit. Like I did one for the stickers, like, what are these called? Foil, like, water decals. I haven't done foil yet. I need to do that. And then I got this one. So these ones are holographic. If you notice, those ones were not holographic. So naturally, you need some holographic, okay? Because I am a holosexual like everybody else. Okay, so I think these are pretty much the same. So I'm just gonna kind of do that. Like they're literally the same. Oops, sorry, that's not even in focus. The same pattern, but they put a hollow background on it. Does that make sense? So everything I showed you now has a hollow background. So each came with 9. I'm gonna scoot that over. So yeah, really excited about these. And yes, I needed both, one with hollow and one without. So yeah, I think I did pretty good on this haul. I am waiting for some other stuff. No, my haul is not done. I did not do well on this haul because it is not done. Just kidding. So, ordered some pigments. I have scrubbed this about 5 times with alcohol to get rid of the stickiness. So what they did is wrapped it in packing tape. Well, we're almost at the end of March. What are we in? Middle to end of March. Almost at the end, and I ordered this mid-January, so about 3 months with packing tape stuck to it. Like there's still that like film on it, but we eventually get it off. Okay. You got your green. A very specific thing in mind that has probably been done a million times, but I don't really care. Yellow? Nope, I'm not getting yellow. This yellow is just amazing. I feel like it's not even showing up how neon these are. Yeah, I'll turn down my brightness for them. And then here was that green. Then we got the purple. There we go. I believe this is red, which I did pretty good not getting it on myself. All right, for some reason I can't get this blue open, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna move on. Pink, which is amazing. And then this orange, which is also amazing. So I might move these into, oh, come on, I was trying one more time. Oh. I might move these into like what I have like my beads in, my crystals in, something like this. And I might move some of my other glitters in there, so like they're all uniform. So yeah, excited to use this. I will be able to get that blue open eventually once I like get rid of all these out here. So I say that was a pretty good haul, if I don't say so myself. Okay, that's just gonna go down there. Yeah, I was feeling this a lot. And again, I'm waiting on 2 more major things from AliExpress, but who knows when they'll get here. Kind of like my ugly duckling stuff that I'm waiting for, and I filmed like 4 hauls today, so you'll see these fun mismatched nails quite a bit. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.